Did you know you can set up your smart lights and smart doorbell to work together? Even if they're different brands like Philips Hue smart bulbs or a Ring doorbell, you can use a third-party app to make your lights blink or change color when someone's at the door. This is a useful trick if you want to silence your doorbell but still be alerted if someone's at your door. And it's a great option if you're hard of hearing. It's also helpful if you're in a room where you can't hear the doorbell, but you still want to know when you have a visitor. Linking your lights with your doorbell is easy. I'll show you how. If your doorbell and lights are two different brands, you can link them using the If This Then That app. First, open the app and create a new routine. Second, select your doorbell brand from the list. Then, select your light brand and choose which lights or room you want to use in the routine. If your lights and doorbell are the same brand, it's even easier. You can link devices and set routines right in the main app. For example, Honeywell makes a smart doorbell and light switch that work together. And Google sells a smart lights starter kit made by GE, which would pair easily with a Google Nest Hello video doorbell. Now when you're having a dance party, you won't miss your doorbell and that super important pizza delivery. Want more smart home tricks? Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing.